You sit down in front of your laptop, curious but cautious. There's ChatGPT blinking back at you, a chatbot that can spit out essays, answer tricky questions, even brainstorm your next big project. But how does it really work? And more importantly, how do you make it work for you without it taking over? Pam Baker's been digging into this AI marvel for years, and she spills the secrets in ChatGPT For Dummies, peeling back layers you didn't know existed. Before you start firing prompts, you need to understand the engine under the hood. It's not magic, it's a mind-bending combo of language, probabilities, and massive data sets. Pam Baker takes you inside OpenAI's San Francisco offices, where engineers train ChatGPT by feeding it millions of sentences from all over the web. This isn't just keyword spitting, it's teaching a machine how humans write so it can craft sentences that sound eerily natural. Think of ChatGPT as a giant game of Mad Libs on steroids. It doesn't know facts but predicts the next word based on patterns it learned, a giant statistical puzzle solved billions of times per second. Imagine guessing the next word in a sentence every time you speak, only faster and smarter. What's wild is how your own queries control this massive system. The way you phrase a question can turn ChatGPT from your best research buddy into a confused assistant. This prompt engineering means learning to talk AI's language, become fluent, and it feels almost like magic. Knowing how ChatGPT thinks is just the start. The real game is learning how to make it do exactly what you want, without ending up with nonsense or robotic cliches. Pam shares the story of Sarah, a high school teacher in Chicago who used ChatGPT to create unique lesson plans tailored to different student levels. By tweaking the prompts and layering instructions, Sarah got responses that felt creative, not canned, and saved hours on prep time. ChatGPT isn't just for geeks or educators, it's reshaping marketing, customer service, even legal drafting. Baker explains how startups use ChatGPT to generate ideas fast, while companies automate routine emails. It's like having a 24/7 assistant who never sleeps. Under the hood, developers can plug ChatGPT into apps via its API, opening endless possibilities, from chatbots in healthcare to automated content generation. Baker's breakdown shows how this invisible muscle powers whole new workflows, bridging AI and everyday tools seamlessly. But all that power comes with a big question. Should you always use AI-generated content? Baker dives into the messy, urgent ethics of living with ChatGPT. Pam recounts the debate sparked when a university student submitted a chatbot-written essay. Professors couldn't tell if the work was original or AI-generated, raising red flags about ownership and academic honesty, a dilemma that schools worldwide now grapple with. The book compares AI output to a jazz musician riffing on classic tunes. It's creative but built on existing work. Baker urges transparency. When you use ChatGPT, be clear about what's AI-assisted or risk ethical and legal backlash. Looking ahead, Baker predicts AI won't replace jobs but will radically change them. Embracing this tech means learning new skills, developing critical AI literacy, and thinking ethically about what it means to collaborate with machines. Remember that moment when you first saw ChatGPT waiting for your command? Now you know it's a vast language engine guessing its way to genius, but only if you speak its language. Pam Baker's book isn't about fearing AI but mastering it. So tonight, try feeding ChatGPT a layered prompt about your work or study. See how tuned in it gets when you do your homework on the prompts first. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.